Okay. Now, I'm going to take off if it's ready.
You mean it's going to show through here?
Yeah, just leave those on.
Oh, I see. See the speller now. I see how that works now. Oh,
I'm looking.
my goodness, babe. Had a prop on the left and on the right. I've always wanted to fly like this.
You feel like you're skydiving?
Yeah. I feel like I can turn it if I want to.
Yeah.
To the left, to the right.
Yeah, it's kind of windy.
Golly.
Whoa.
Yeah, but see, I don't get that sensation. I'm watching where the grass is and the trees. That's fascinating. Actually looking between the props, is that what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you in a minute where it is.
Does it make you dizzy, Dad?
Huh?
Does it make you dizzy?
No, I feel like I'm right there with it. No, I believe I could fly like this.
You're not moving as much as Ray does.
Trying to hold it still a little bit, right?
In the wind.
Yeah.
Does Ray lean with it?
I sure am right now because the wind's blowing me all over the place.
Oh, is that right? That's fascinating.
He's trying.
The computer's trying too.
Mandy.
Computer trying to fly it?
It's trying to keep it steady.
Oh.
So it's two of us trying. I wanted to take it up real high so you could see it way up high, but I'm not going to do that right now.
Yeah. It's windy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, you missed that tree over there. You backing it up? I see. Okay. That's pretty high right there. Wow. You're about half as high as those trees.
Yeah.
You went over that little one, didn't you?
No.
That's so fascinating. I had to pull out and see where I was at.
You can hear it.
Yeah.
That helps.
Man, live. That is fascinating. I'm actually seeing the props on it.
Hey, Mimi, you want to put them on and see?
You need to try that, Betty. She's trying to catch up with it.
I got some good pictures.
Did you? Good. You want to try it?
Yeah.
That's kind of neat.
You want to sit down?
Yeah, sit right here. That's a good place to be.
Yeah, makes you feel like you're in it.
Yeah. It really feels good.
Is it supposed to be upside? Do I have it
No,
upside?
you put them on upside down.
Okay.
She's a lefty.
You know what?
What?
I don't think she had it.
All right.
Probably not.
Whoa.
How's that feel, Mom?
Fine. Doesn't bother me a bit.
Boy, that thing's working hard. It's actually the computer.
Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough. Here you go.
See if I can land it in the hole over there, and then I'll get it out in the hole.
Watch, but he's going to go in the hole. Oh, almost.
So close, so close.
You got it out. So close.
Especially with the wind, that's not bad.
No,
Yeah, the
real
wind is
good.
coming through from the north.
How are you gonna
between
do
the
it this time?
houses.
That was almost there. Oh!
Now on the other side. Oh.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
He
whoa.
trimmed the grass that time.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
I think you should have stopped while you're ahead.
Yeah, that I was sort of saying, he trimmed the grass for a minute.
And then the rocks.
Uh-oh. You alright?
Yeah.
You break it.
Okay, just hold it there a minute like that, Ray.
Act
Tilt-
like you're doing
Tilt
something.
it toward me, Ray, so I don't see the props a little bit. Yeah, lean. There you go. This side. There you go. I can see the front props. Can't see the back ones. Oh, okay. That's kind of cool. I like
All right, thank you.
that. I like it.
Another
Is
cool
that your
thing.
little GoPro?
Yeah, it's running right now.
It's a what?
Another cool thing about this, I didn't show you this, is I've got a ground control where I can connect. See that guy right there?
Yeah.
That's a Bluetooth receiver. So I can connect to it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so now watch see the horizon?
Yeah.
As I move this, it tells
Uh-huh.
me what it's
Uh-huh.
doing.
Well,
It
yeah.
also shows us our GPS position.
Yeah. Oh, don't you just love it?
Oh,
That's terrible.
technology is
That's
cool.
terrible.
The minute it's toys.
That's terrible. What's that thing right there in front of your feet?
My GoPro.
What's that mean?
That's his
Camera.
camera.
Oh.
It's a video camera.
Oh.
I'm gonna shut it off.